Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by naming the purpose and choosing a voice. This frames every sentence. Once defined, pick a clear subject and active verbs so your lines move forward. Make sure to keep the audience in mind. You address them directly, so use you and short directives where helpful. Establish pacing immediately and insert pauses or commas for breathing. These first actionable steps get you into sentence production without extra setup, and they prevent vague or passive narration later. Now focus on the middle work. Craft each sentence with a clear topic, an action, and a result so the listener follows cause and effect. Once done, link sentences with transitions like then, however, and because to maintain flow. Make sure to vary length, short commands for emphasis, longer explanatory lines for context to avoid monotony. Read aloud and adjust rhythm, mark breaths and remove redundant phrases. This detailed execution builds momentum and keeps your narration coherent and engaging. Complete by tightening every sentence. Cut modifiers and ensure each line serves purpose. You want a strong final sentence that summarizes or calls the listener to act, because endings stick. Once done, rehearse and time your delivery. Make sure to normalize breathing and emphasis on keywords. If things go wrong, audience confusion or rushed pacing, stop, slow to 80 words per minute, and add deliberate pauses or repeat a short phrase for clarity. That troubleshooting tip rescues muddled narration quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.